Okay, the last thing that you had to do on the test was the properties. So this would be associative, commutative, identity, inverse, distributive. Those are the main ones that we're working with. So I'm going to go over these 6 problems. The ones on your real test are different, but it might give you some help. All right, in this case, this one right here, the numbers are all in the same order. So 4, 11, 8, 4, 11, 8, and it's addition. And the only thing that changes is the parentheses. So that is the associative property. This one, the numbers switch orders. It's addition, there's no parentheses. There could be parentheses if they were separating operation signs, but in this case there's no parentheses and it just changes the order. So this one is the commutative. Okay. This one has a 0. So that should be a really good hint that that is an identity property. There's an identity property of 1, an identity property of 0. To be specific, this is the multiplicative identity property of 0. This one is the multiplicative identity property of 1. And I know she's got words up there that you can do, that I'll know what it is if you get close enough. This one is the one that's so important for 8th grade, distributive property, because you distribute within the 4 to the 2, the 4 to the 10, and then you see that forms the small groups over here. So that's distributive. And then finally, this is the inverse, because 1/8 times 8 over 1 is 1. If you go straight across, you're going to get 1. So that's inverse. The other version of the inverse would be if I made it -8 plus 8 equals 0. That's the other form of the inverse. So that is a kind of a 10-ish minute review of all the content on your test. I encourage you to watch this and then fix your test. Thank you.